Hello everyone, Agnieszka here from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this video, we'll focus on creating dynamic product hotspots. Dynamic hotspots display product information directly on a publication's page. That information is taken from and kept in sync with your product feed, which is why having a product feed connected to a publication group or a collection is a prerequisite to using dynamic hotspots. A video on how to connect a product feed is linked below. Thanks to the feed connection, any changes such as price movements will be directly reflected in a publication, so we always show the most up-to-date information to your customers. Let's see how to create such a hotspot in our editor. Once in the editor, select the dynamic product hotspot from the left side menu and draw it over the area you want it to cover. Ensure the hotspot area is big enough so it's easy to click on. Move the icon to a suitable location. Choose one or multiple product hotspots from your product feed. You'll notice product information such as title, image, and price is populated directly on the page. You can customize the layout and design of a dynamic hotspot. We will cover that in a separate video. The product information will update automatically according to the changes in the product feed. To speed up the creation process, you can copy and paste dynamic hotspots to create different layouts. That's all on creating a dynamic hotspot in Publitas. Any relevant articles from our knowledge base are linked down below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.